Hello everyone, this is Rachaddeep Singh from the Millennium School Patiala. Today we are going to do Python coding in PictoBlocks environment. There are two types of environment in Python. One is block coding and second one is Python coding. And in that we are going to create loan interest calculator. So for that, what we are going to do, first we are going to define a function named as interest using the def keyword, and in that we are going to specify three variables, or even we can say these are as parameters. So the three parameters are principal, rate, and time. And after that, we are going to specify the colon operator. The colon operator specifies the block of the code where that code will reside. In that one, we have created a variable named as amount, and in that we are going to do the calculation like principal into rate into time divided by 100. And name requires function requires a return statement. So the return statement for this one where we are going to provide as a return amount. As you can see that now our function has been created. This is also called as the definition of the function as well as the declaration of the function. Now we are going to specify these variables where Toby is going to ask the user to input the value. At the first, the sprite is going to ask the user to input the value of the principal. For that, we are going to use the input keyword, and in that we are going to specify the value as enter principal. And whenever the value will be entered into by the user, that will be stored into the variable named as principal, and the data type for that we are going to use as float. Here in the code we are doing the typecasting, because whenever user is entering any value, by default it is always in string format, but we are converting that into float one. Now we are going to make the copies of these statements where the sprite is going to ask the user to input the value for the rate as well as for the time, and the data type will remain the same. Now as you can see that we have inserted all three values or variables. Now we are going to do the calculation part, or we are going to call the function. As we have already declared or defined the function, now we are going to call the function using sprite say keyword, and in that we are going to concatenate it with the string. For concatenation we always use plus symbol, and in that first we are going to specify the name of the function, means calling of the function, and after that we are going to specify the three parameters that we have declared in the function. And in the end, we are going to specify for how much time the statement must be produced or remain on the screen. The output should remain on the screen. I have specified 4 seconds. So this was all about this code. Now we are going to run the script. You can see that Sprite is asking for the user to input the value for the principal. I have entered 1000 in that, and now it is asking for the rate that we are going to enter 12%, and it is going to ask for the years or time that I'm going to enter 2 years. Now you can see the output has been generated. So this was all about the script. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.